Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Filing a motion in court without an attorney can seem daunting, but it is possible if you understand the process and your court's specific rules. This video will guide you through the essential steps to prepare and file a motion when you're representing yourself. First, you must thoroughly understand your case and what you want the motion to achieve. What specific action are you asking the judge to take? Is it to postpone a hearing, compel the other side to provide documents, or dismiss part of the case? Be very clear about your objective. Next, research your court's rules. Every court, whether it's a state court, federal court, or a local municipal court, has its own set of rules of civil procedure or local rules. These rules dictate everything from the proper format for documents, to deadlines for filing, to how motions are scheduled for hearings. Many courts have websites with self-help sections or forms you can use. Look for sample motions or templates. Identifying the correct type of motion is crucial. Don't just guess, make sure the motion you file aligns with what you are asking the court to do. For instance, if you need more time, you'd file a motion for continuance. If you believe the other side isn't following a court order, you might file a motion to compel. Once you know the type of motion and have reviewed the rules, it's time to draft your document. A motion typically includes several key components. You'll start with the caption, which is the heading at the top of the page. This includes the court's name, the names of the parties involved, and the case number. Below the caption, you'll write the title of the motion, clearly stating what it is, for example, plaintiff's motion to compel discovery. The main body of the motion is where you state your request and explain the reasons for it. Use short, clear sentences. State the facts that support your request and, if possible, refer to any relevant laws or court rules. Attach any exhibits that back up your claims, like emails or documents, making sure they are properly labeled. Conclude with a prayer for relief or request, which is a clear statement of what you want the judge to order. For example, wherefore, plaintiff respectfully requests this court order defendant to produce all requested documents within 10 days. You will then sign and date the motion. Many motions also require an affidavit or declaration, which is a sworn statement of facts, typically attached separately, where you swear under penalty of perjury that the facts you presented are true. You will also need a notice of motion to inform the other party when and where the motion will be heard, and a certificate of service, which is your sworn statement that you properly delivered a copy of the motion and all attachments to the other side. After drafting, proofread everything carefully. Accuracy is very important. Then, file your motion with the court clerk. This might involve physically going to the courthouse, mailing it, or using an electronic filing system if available. Be prepared to pay a filing fee, or request a fee waiver if you cannot afford it. Once filed, you must serve a copy of the motion and all attachments on the other party or their attorney. Service must be done correctly, usually by mail or personal delivery, according to the court's rules. Do not just email it unless the rules specifically allow for it. Finally, you will need to ensure your motion is scheduled for a hearing. Sometimes the court clerk will do this, other times you might need to actively request a hearing date. Prepare for your hearing by organizing your thoughts and any documents you want to present. Remember, representing yourself is a serious undertaking, and this information is for educational purposes only, not legal advice. Always consider consulting with an attorney if possible. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more legal self-help tips, and leave a comment below with any questions.